we're going to make an origami Yoda. The first step is you're going to start with a square piece of origami paper. I am using a 6x6 green origami paper, but if you don't have that, you can cut an 8.5 by 11 paper into a square. Step 2. Fold the left half over the right by folding the left corner to the right corner. Crease the fold well and then unfold. Step 3. Fold the bottom corner to the top corner. Step 4. Grab both layers of the top corner and fold them down to the center of the bottom edge. The center is where the vertical crease is. Step 5. Grab only the top layer and fold it up so about half of the triangle will extend past the top edge. Step 6. Fold the tip down. Step 7. Fold the left half straight up at the center and then do the same for the right half. Step 8. Fold the top left edge to the center and do the same for the top right edge. Step 9. Fold Yoda's large ears down like this. Step 10. Then fold his ears back like this so that they point out to the side. Step 11. Fold the chin up. And lastly, turn the paper over and draw his face. Thank you for making the Origami Yoda with me, and may the 4th be with you.